Understanding good night in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, good night. This phrase is not just a way to say farewell when the day ends, but it carries warmth and friendliness. Let's dive in and understand all about it. Good night is a phrase used to express good wishes when parting or before going to bed. It's a polite way of ending the day and is commonly used in both personal and formal situations. The word good signifies a positive wish, while night refers to the time of day. You can say good night in several contexts. When leaving a social gathering late in the evening, to someone who is going to bed, at the end of a phone conversation when it's nighttime, in written form, such as in texts or emails, when concluding your message in the evening. There are other ways to convey the same sentiment. Sleep well, wishing someone a restful sleep, sweet dreams, hoping that someone will have pleasant dreams. Nighty-night, a more endearing and casual form, often used for children or close family. In English-speaking cultures, saying good night also has a cultural significance. It's a sign of respect and care for the other person's well-being, reflecting the speaker's good intentions. Good night is more than a phrase. It's a kind gesture that ends the day on a positive note. We hope this video has helped you understand its meaning and use. Good night, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.